Hi, today we are going to be talking about the Bionaire dual fan, and the temperature is 98. This is the temperature gauge. It tells you how hot. I just want to let you know that the reason why I bought this fan was because in my apartment in Southern California, where it's extremely hot all year round, I only have an air conditioner in my living room, and I do have a couple fans in my apartment, including the Bionaire, of course. And in my room, the nights would get so hot that it would be so uncomfortable. So I ended up buying a portable air conditioner just so I could get a good night's rest. And a couple years later, I came across this fan, and it changed everything. I have not needed to use my portable AC in my bedroom ever since I got this fan. It is that good, and I'm saying that with so much passion because I mean it. I wish I would have known all about this fan so long ago, because honestly, I would have never gotten those other fans. I would have just got this one, and I would have got a bunch of them for every single room. I need to feel cool. Who wants to be hot and sticky in their house? Nobody. You buy a fan to circulate the air and cool it down as much as possible without always having to use your air conditioner, right? Just to let you know, all the opinions in this video are my own. This video is not sponsored. I know I am passionate, but the reason why I'm passionate is because I love it so much and it works so good. And if I love it so much, I want to share it with others so it could benefit them too. This is a temperature gauge right here. It is telling us that it's around 98 degrees where the fan is located currently. And I'm going to walk you through the steps of using the fan, and you can see the fluctuation in the temperature right here. So I'm going to put it on low first. On low, it dropped about 6 degrees. I'm going to put it on medium. Now I'm going to put it on high. So it has 3 different speeds. There's a power button, a low, a medium, and a high. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it on, press mode, and you're going to adjust the temperature to whatever fits you best. I put it at 70 degrees, and as soon as it gets to 70 degrees, it will shut off, and then if it surpasses 70 degrees, then it will turn back on. And as you can see, that it's already dropped over 10 degrees. We started at 98 and it's at 87. Another feature that it has is in, out, and exchange. So in means the air is blowing in on both fans. Out means the fan is blowing outside on both fans, which the out, I believe, is really good for if you cook something and you don't like the odor or the smell of it. You can remove the odor by turning the fan out. A lot of people think that removing the hot air is beneficial. I personally don't use that feature. It doesn't really work that well in my opinion. I feel like the in and putting it on low, medium, or high is absolutely the most beneficial. That is my favorite setting, is in, and I put it on low, medium, or high. Exchange means that one of the fans are going in and one of the fans are blowing out. And there's this button called airflow where you can change it to pick which mode you want to have it in, out, or exchange. You just push it in the window like this, and then you close your window, which I do like it this way, and it fits most windows this way. You do have an option to add the extender if needed. It has one on the top and the bottom. This is the remote that it comes with. I hope this helped you in some sort of way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you. Until next time, bye.